Good day guys and welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube Shorts on PC. So guys, just like you probably know, YouTube has recently implemented a dubbing feature to videos that pretty much lets you kind of convert and turn the original audio track into other language. So as an example, I have this video over here, and if you go into the settings, as you can see, we have audio track feature now in the player, and as you can see, the original audio track is in English US, and also we can convert it into other languages. So this will pretty much use AI, I guess, or some kind of other technique that will translate the English original audio into other languages. So you can do the same with Shorts. So in order to do this, go to Shorts, enable some kind of short. And guys, this is pretty much done the same way, but also make sure to understand that not every video on YouTube that's not short supports dubbing. Just like Shorts, not all of them support it. So if you go to three dots, as you can see, there are no dubs in here. But if there are, you pretty much just go into three dots, and just like in the usual video in the player, you search for audio track and you set it to the original, right? So no matter which language there is that has the original, it can be German and have the original audio track in German. You just go ahead and enable German or any other language that is original on the player for Shorts as well. So all the same, just for the Shorts. And also it defaults to the original track as well, so you don't have to choose the original audio track every video, every time. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoy. Like the video and subscribe if you did, and I will see you soon in the next one.